Jetzt geht es eigentlich zu Kapitel 6. Das letzte Kapitel in dieser Episode 1. Und uns da jetzt erwarten. Vor allem, wie jetzt das Ende wird sein. Los geht's mit Kapitel 6, Episode 1. Oder umgekehrt, Episode 1, Kapitel 6, der Wolf von Margas.
Every time I think I'm getting a handle on what's going on, things just get more complicated. It feels like we're always a step behind.
The woodsman is the only lead we've got, and he was one of the last people to see Faith alive. Getting some answers out of him will start to clear things up.
I hope you're right. Bigby, be honest with me. Who do you think did this? I know it's still early, but I just feel a step behind. It's an uncomfortable feeling.
The woodsman. He had the motive. He had the means.
You sound so sure that he's guilty.
I don't know if he is. That's why I need to talk to him. I don't have the whole story. Maybe he has some information that can help us out.
Makes sense. That's probably the best approach.
Thanks
I
for
wish
you.
there was... Sorry.
Go ahead. I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, It's nothing. I just... Seeing all this today, there are fables that are struggling worse than I'd imagined. We pay so much attention to the residents of the woodlands. You forget there's a whole community out there to serve. To have to turn to prostitution. I wish there was more we could do. This isn't how I thought it would be. But Crane runs things his own way.
You're doing your best. It's all anyone can do.
Obviously, you don't know what I do all day. Right now, I'm the gatekeeper, making sure none of these disenfranchised folks are, as he puts it, wasting his time.
You'll fix it.
I don't know. It's just a broken system. The fables who walk in through the back door like Bluebeard, we have all the time in the world for them. You try and come in through the front door, through the proper channels, asking for anything, needing help. Well, I turn you away. Now things are worse off than they've ever been.
Well, that's not true.
Right. We've had it worse, but not by much. Maybe this isn't for me. I thought public service was pure.
You'll figure it out. You're better than I am with this political stuff.
Well, that's not saying much.
I trust you to make the right decision.
I hope you're right. Maybe you should handle this one.
Yeah, maybe I should.
Bigby. Just be careful, please.
The same goes for you.
I will.
What do you want, Sheriff?
I'm looking for the woodsman.
Well, he's not here. So I guess you can go now.
Look, I'm not even gonna ask where he is now, okay? I just want to know the last time he was here. That's all.
Who?
I'm being nice, so try again.
He hasn't been here for a few weeks. No, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, he hasn't been here in a while, if he's been here at all, which... I don't know.
Does he tell you when to close, too?
Nope. And he doesn't tell me when to tell you to fuck off.
Whose is that?
Someone who left.
Someone like... the guy I'm looking for?
No, I'm telling you. I haven't seen him for a couple days.
A lot of these walk out the door?
Yeah, it's called advertising.
You get a refund?
Fuck you. The word's getting out.
He a regular?
I don't know who you're talking about.
The one with the bald head and the beard.
Never seen him.
Damn.
Let me solve the mystery for you. They're pickled eggs.
Oh, I know what they are. I'm just trying to figure out why anyone would eat this.
A lot of stools in this place.
But there's only one right next to you.
You gonna order something? Or you just here to bother my customers? You know what I mean.
Give me a Midas Gold.
You want a lime?
Sure.
I think they have some at the bar down the street.
Think that's funny?
Yep. Think it's fucking hilarious.
It was all right. This is serious, Holly. Harboring a fugitive is gonna get you in as much trouble as he's in. You could lose everything.
Holly, you're out of paper towels and,
Saved your beer for you. Holly wanted to clear it, but I said no. He'll be back. Now here you are.
You and me been going at it for hundreds of years. I'm through fighting.
Well, Woody, That makes two of us. You're in luck. I decided to switch seats. I just want to talk. This doesn't have to go like this.
Maybe he don't want to talk to you.
Why don't we let him tell me that?
It's okay, Gren.
It's funny. Just a minute ago, no one seemed to know who you were.
Yeah, well, everyone knows you. Big bad wolf. Now I'm the bad guy and you're sheriff. What kind of fucking world is that, huh?
Not exactly comfortable with it either, but hey, you play the hand you're dealt.
Well, some folks are forced to play with shit.
That's a lovely image.
Guess you want to know about the girl.
Amongst other things, sure.
I'd walked past her place for weeks. She didn't look like it, but she had money. I was sure of it. And she wouldn't put up any kind of fight. I was gonna rob her. And the night I finally get up the nerve to do it, there you are, fucking things up for me. You were just in the wrong place at the wrong time.
What are you talking about exactly?
Red Riding Hood, her grandmother. I was there to rob him. But when I showed up, you were already there, lying in the bed. I only saved her because I thought she might give me a reward. But she didn't give me shit. Except a bunch of people thinking I'm something I ain't. I played along as I could. Only thing I managed to get from it was a free drink every now and again. Not a good that did.
Did you kill Faith?
What? Faith? Who's
The
that?
girl you were beaten on this morning.
No. I was here. I swear.
Doesn't look good when a girl you were just smacking around shows up dead hours later.
She's dead? Bigby, listen, I'm a piece of shit, okay? I know that. I hit that girl, I did. I shouldn't have, but I didn't kill her. You believe me, right? They're gonna string me up, Bigby. Like you said, it looks fucking bad. It looks really bad, but I didn't do it.
He was here. That's the fucking truth, Sheriff.
You see? Bigby, please. You can't. They'll throw me down the witching well. That's what they'll do. And I didn't do it. You know that. Hey, stop! This isn't what I want.
Oh, shut the fuck up, Woody! Shit ain't just about you. It's about this fucking lapdog. Only comes sniffing around this part of town when the rich fucks in the woodlands need a shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby?
Lapdog? Really?
Holly's sister goes missing. No one gives two shits about her. Paperwork, waiting rooms, and that bitch Snow White looking right past me, then ushering me out the fucking door. That all you got?
Seemed to be enough.
Don't be so sure.
Oh, good.
Should have walked out of here when you had the chance.
Come on, you're scaring the lady.
Don't worry about me.
He's had enough!
Whiskey. Double. Shit.
It's not like you were gonna pay for it anyway.
Don't even think about it.
Is this the type of treatment I can expect if I let you take me in?
No. If you come quietly, you'll be treated with respect. But if it turns out that you killed that girl, well, you know what that means.
Alright, I got $100 for the first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named... Fuck.
You said you wouldn't hurt me!
You said you wouldn't run. Shit.
Guy's covered in blood and you let him go?
No one asked you.
Ah!
Come on. You're under arrest.
I didn't do it.
And you got nothing to worry about. Do anything stupid, and I'll throw you down the witching well myself.
All right.
We had something very special.
Who else is involved?
The girl with the coat.
Serial killer.
Oh my.
A serial killer? Oh, God, and it's one of us?
Wait, the big fat guy still walking the streets?
We've got to put a lid on this. If you can't manage it, I'll find someone who can.
I found out where she's been staying.
I know she's here. You must have seen her. What are the two of you hiding?
Thanks for not saying anything.
Doesn't matter. Maybe you just want to punish someone. We can arrange that.
What did you do?
Friend on friend. At the end of the end.
Jesus Christ, baby. Is that you?
So, das war es, die erste Episode von The Wolf Among Us. Das letzte Kapitel, Kapitel 6, mit einem Pokerschlag geendet. Snow White, eigentlich unsere, ja, schon fast Assistentin, liegt, oder besser gesagt, ihr Kopf liegt bei uns vor dem Apartment, so wie das bei Faith auch war. Somit werden wir sie auch in der nächsten Episode auch nicht mehr sehen. Und wir haben jetzt auch schon den Ausblick gesehen auf die nächste Episode, was dort passiert. Kurz noch zu diesem Kapitel. Ja, wir waren in dieser Bar drin, haben dort den Holzfäller doch dann noch gefunden. Haben nachher noch einen Kampf gehabt. Und dort haben wir uns sogar einen Teil in unsere alte oder richtige Gestalt verwandelt, nämlich in Wolf. Sieht so aus, wie wir dort sogar noch ein bisschen stärker wären bei den Kämpfen. Aber ja. Twiddly Dee und Twiddly Dum sind auftritt, oder einer von denen besser gesagt. Und ja, ich habe mich entschieden, den Holzfäller zu holen. Ob das eine gute Entscheidung war, können wir mal schauen. Apropos Entscheidungen, wir haben in dieser Episode ein paar Entscheidungen getroffen, die Auswirkungen werden haben auf einen weiteren Verlauf. Das ist wie bei The Walking Dead. Und hier am Ende von jeder Episode sehen wir ja, wie wir uns entschieden haben und wie es die anderen gemacht hätten. Die erste Entscheidung finde ich jetzt nicht so wichtig, aber wir haben Faith Geld gegeben. Da sind wir doch mit 84,6% bei der Mehrheit. Wir haben auch am Beast die Wahrheit nicht gesagt über Beauty. Da sind wir auch noch bei der Mehrheit. Sieht gut aus. Wir haben uns, wie die meisten, auch entschieden, dass wir zuerst zum Toad gefahren anstatt zum Lawrence. Ob das jetzt vielleicht sein Tod auch noch beeinflusst hat, das wissen wir nicht. Ja. What happened to Prince Lawrence? You did not prevent Blanche's death. Okay. Und wir gehören ja, nicht unbedingt zur Mehrheit, aber wer es gemacht hat, wir haben mehrheitlich den Holzfäller beschuldigt. Momentan glaube ich eher, dass es nicht war. Aber ja. Nachher haben wir arrested. Wir haben den Holzfäller in Gewahrsam genommen. Dann gehören wir nicht zur Mehrheit mit 31,6%. Okay. Und hier noch die Frage zu der Diskussion. Ja, gehen wir hier zurück. Dann haben wir jetzt noch den Abspann für diese Episode. Was gibt es zu sagen? Interessant war das Ganze. Interessante Geschichte. Wie gesagt, erwachsen das Ganze. Also, ich hier nachdrehen ein bisschen. Sorry. Jetzt sollte es ein bisschen besser sein, dann gehört ihr mich besser. Ja, macht Lust auf mehr. Ich warte jetzt aber noch auf die Übersetzung für die zweite Episode, bevor ich weiterfahre. Es geht doch ein bisschen einfacher, wenn man die deutschen Untertitel hat. Das ist eine schwierige Geschichte und das Englisch ist nicht gerade so Show-Englisch zum Teil. Es wird auch viel geflucht, wie wir gemerkt haben. Was aber das Ganze sehr realistisch macht. Wir haben auch bei Vorschau gesehen wird sicher noch intensiver. Ich hoffe, dass wir irgendwann noch auf die Farm kommen, die da erwähnt wird. Dort, wo ja die Ausgestoßenen leben. Und wie es weitergeht. Ob man den Hexenbrunnen sieht, das ist auch so etwas wie die Verdammnis von diesen Kreaturen. Wer weiß. Ja, wir haben jetzt auch ein bisschen mehr als 2 Stunden Spielzeit gehabt. Für eine Episode eigentlich nicht schlecht. Wir hätten nicht sehr viel müssen machen. Es hat Episoden gegeben, wo wir praktisch nur Dialogoptionen hatten und bei anderen haben wir doch ein bisschen mehr machen können. Ist aber so bei Telltale, dass man hier eher eben einen interaktiven Film spielt. Von dem her, meine Erwartungen sind erfüllt. Ich bin zufrieden. Und ich würde sagen, ich freue mich auf die 2. Episode, die hoffentlich gleich übersetzt ist, dass wir das hier wieder zusammen anschauen können. Von dem her, merci fürs Zuschauen und bis gleich bei der Buffalo Manas oder bei anderen Let's Play.